Check it out, everyone. The IXSR, the brand new remote from Spektrum and Horizon Hobby. Today, we're going to be testing out on the water with the lovely Promoto 36. I also, in the car, had the Lozy Promoto and the 6S Creighton. We're going to test it out on a variety of platforms. So, let's see how it works. Alright, so... oh, the steering servo is backwards, so we need to reverse that. We also need to trim this thing a little bit. Man, it feels good. So I have the alarm set on this thing, so if the ESC gets to 190, I'll get an alert. Should get a voice alert. I also have it set up for like if the voltage gets to, but I want to go here to telemetry. All right, smart ESC. So right there. Wow, one battery's at 50, one's at 70. That's weird. I fully charge these things. I don't get why one is so far off. Man, I love the boat. Oh, this thing's amazing. We're here today for the... look at this thing's telling me that one battery's completely gone. Wow, that's that's something else. Well, I guess I don't want to push my luck and have to go swimming for this thing. That's just weird. I don't get why. But the screen is very easy to see in the sun. So we can see here. I don't get why. I charged both of these packs up. Well, we're here today just to test the boat, or test the remote, and I think we're doing pretty good. So according to this thing, I just don't get why one battery is so much more than the other. You guys wonder why it leans, it's because this thing's self-riding, so when you back up, those ports in the back fill it with water. But yeah, oh, the steering just feels so nice on this. So does the throttle. Woo! Alright guys, I really don't want to go swimming for this thing. It says both batteries have had it, so I love this thing's got reverse. Alright, so on to the next set of vehicles to try with this remote. Alright, we got the Promoto here. So check it. Gyro. All right, I think I finally got the trim set up. So now the question is, are the modes correct? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. They still got them freaking backwards. Unreal. So we can see there, it says wheelie mode. Now it says off-road, right? Look, now it's in wheelie mode. Dang, whatever they did, whatever program they copied from the DX5, whatever it was, they still got the damn thing backwards. Because off-road gives you all the power. It's for being in the dirt, hitting jumps and stuff like that. On-road throttles back a little bit to so that way when you have a high traction environment, it doesn't come off full throttle. Ooh. So yeah, so the Promoto works. It's just the modes are still backwards. I cannot believe that. Woo! But other than that, man, this remote feels absolutely amazing, man. I love how smooth the steering is. I also can't believe how well this thing jumps. Oh no. Self-recovery mode. I probably shouldn't have tried to jump in that. All right. Well, this isn't about the actual RC. This is about the transmitter here. And so far, man, it feels good. Let's see. Smart. So we only got one battery, 12S. Temperature's 120 degrees. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. Look at how much. 60% battery. RPM. So yeah. I'll tell you one thing I'm really liking is being able to see the screen during the day. I know the sun's kind of gone out right now, but earlier when I was running the boat full sun, I had no problem reading the screen. All right, guys, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and run the Creighton. Now, the reason I decided to do the Creighton, I know on my review video, which if you missed, go ahead and check it out. I was gonna run a laser nut, but I forgot to mention one key thing with this remote that it does. And I can't believe I missed this. This is something that like speedrunners and that have been asking for a while, even maybe some bashers, that the AVC not control the throttle. A lot of people don't want that throttle coming back. Maybe just a little steering guidance. So, you know, people run like a Dumbo receiver because it only has steering. This has separate steering and throttle AVC. So that's why I decided to bring the Creighton, because it has an AVC receiver in it, and I'm going to show you that. All right, got to thank Tyson over at Garage Life RC for all the bling. We got our battery mat there, which is super important for all the bashers out there. Be landing this thing hard, protect that battery. Check it out, we got the bumper mount here in the front, and really awesome flexible wing and wheelie mount all together. Oh man, damn, boy, Boy, she's got some power. It's been a hot minute since I drove this. Ooh. Whew. Even the old wheelie bar couldn't hold that thing back, huh? Them wheels are freaking way out of whack there. That's man. Huh. Oh, we gotta turn that AVC down. So there we go. So this is what I want to show you here. So see, steering gain, we have it just at 27. Throttle gain is actually different, and it is on trimmer switch D. So that is on trimmer switch C. Show right away. But see how now it says throttle gain 40. So here's, like I said, on the screen, AVC, steering and throttle gain are now separate. You no longer have to have that set up. Now if you want to, you can switch that to the knob, I believe. Okay, no, you can't. That would be nice, just to be able to put, like, say, the steering on here. I don't know why that's not an option. Maybe we can do that in an update at some point. Make it so that way we can put the AVC on a knob. Like I said, I'm not sure why that's not even an option, but obviously right there we got trimmer ABC DEF, and that's it. So I'll mention that to Horizon. But now that we got that throttled back, whoa, wow. I'll tell you what, man, this thing's an animal. Ooh, look at that thing, man. This car loves to fly. This is the car I accidentally jumped this with. I didn't even expect it to hit it, and it cleared it so easily. I still don't think I've ever had a car clear it that far. Oh, this thing is amazing. The best jumper I have by far, man. This thing is like part airplane. I mean, I can just barely hit that thing and it'll go. I do love this one. Look at that. But man, yeah, look at the remote. I mean, I don't have a smart battery in here, so there's no reason for me to really go smart ESC. I mean, I got temperature and like motor amps and that, but hard to sit here and watch that. So I just, for this one, I will just go here and we can look. The ESC is at 150, and we can just monitor our temps and know when we need to slow down and call it a day. The remote, I mean, man, this steering feels so delightful. I can't even begin to explain like how smooth that is. And the fact that now we can separate throttle AVC and steering AVC, that's going to be a big thing for a lot of people. Because I know there's speed runners out there that they don't, they're out there running, and all of a sudden, you know, they get the AVC will kick in. They want the benefit of the steering, but they don't want that throttle cut. Which makes sense, man. You know, you're out there running. Even for here, for bashers, you really don't want that throttle cut. You're up there jumping, you're rotating in the air. You don't want that throttle to cut. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoy watching a remote. Maybe if you're not somebody that does bashing or something like that, and you've never seen a Kraton in action, now you have. I'll tell you, this my best jumper. You know, I was always afraid of jumping this this cavern here, and I just came out here one day and did like that, and man, it, like you just saw earlier, it went way over there. Oh, that's one thing too. I'm not, like in the air there, man, throttle response, I think you can really feel like how fast it is to respond. Because like when I tapped the brakes, I mean, it brought it down. It didn't overdo it. It didn't, like, sometimes I feel like some of the other remotes, when you hit the brakes, they stay engaged a little too long. There's just too much of a, maybe of a lag in it disengaging. This thing is just very precise. Like when you let off, that's it. It's done. So yeah, now I can see why people spend the big money on some of these remotes. Oh no! All right, everyone, it is getting dark. The sun clearly set in the west, but we do have people here. See, we got a ball game going on. There's a guy stretching. There's people here. Garage guy. Oh man, RC guy, garage always say I'm trying to avoid people. It's just been too hot, man. But there's people out here. All right, like I said, I'm making this too much about the Kraton and the remote. But like I said, I'm actually glad I did that big jump. I could feel like just the precision in the throttle. Like I said, I'm not an expert, I don't know. But to me, from using other remotes, from Dumbo Traxxas, other Spektrum remotes, I feel like there's just a precision to this one that I haven't felt, especially like in air control. Wow, man, like I said, just tap the brakes and that was it. It tapped it, done. It made it really easy to control. Now like I said, the fact that we can separate throttle and steering ABC, it's not just combined into one whole thing, is absolutely amazing. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed. Which one was your favorite? The boat, the Promoto, the Kraton? Let me know. Do you like the remote? Is this something you're considering getting? I know it's pricey. Oh man, you pay what you get what you pay for. I mean, this thing is just, that's so nice, so nice. Well, all right, everyone, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Links down below. If you want to get one, please use my Horizon link. It really helps me buy this stuff and bring it to you for the channel, and greatly appreciate it. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.